Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today we're going to make some Sada food. We have some peas and aloo, curry peas and aloo, and some Sada Eddoes. This is our ingredients that we have here. We have the aloo cut up in pieces. We have the peas, the pigeon peas. It's already boiled. It's get a little soft. We have the Eddoes cut up into pieces. Together with the seasoning here, the onion, garlic, hot peppers. Also some seasoning, green seasoning, onion, garlic, bandania, pepper as well. Also have some onions again for the peas and aloo and the curry. First of all, I'm going to season this, the aloo or potato, anyhow you call it. I'll put the peas already boiled in there. This is one of my favorite dish. Put the green seasoning in. Give it a little mix there. Put some black pepper. Also some salt. Okay. To eat this, Sita is going to make some dosti roti. So you're going to have vegetarian food today. Mix them up. I'll get the stove and the pot heated up. I have the pot heated up already, so I'm going to put some oil in. Not much, just to get so I can saute the onions. Then we'll put the onions and the pepper. For a while. Let that cook for a couple minutes. Get the curry in. Put the water in, put the board in the curry. Curry is going to fry for at least 3 minutes. Keep adding a little bit of water in it so it gets, Just after 3 minutes, you can see how nice and fluffy the curry got. Make sure the peas and aloo inside here. Right, so this is going to cook for a bit. Then I'll add some water and let it cook. Water in. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook. I'll keep checking it every 15 minutes and then keep adding water as we go along. Okay, so stay tuned. So this episode goes out to Global Properties Limited. It's a real estate company under the Richard Sauju group of companies, specialized in the procurement of residential property, commercial property, residential land and agricultural land. He's located on Ramsaran Street in Chaguanas, opposite the Magistrate Court. I'll put the details at the end of the video, so check him out.
So alongside my husband today, I'm going to make Sada Eddoes. I've cut and peel and cut 6 Eddoes and slice them into pieces. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. As you guys know, we don't cook with a lot of oil, so it's just to saute the seasoning, which is the onion, the garlic, and the pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna add the seasoning, the onions, the garlic, and the pepper. And we just let this saute for 5 minutes. Also, this Eddoes, you can also cook this curry as well. But today I'm just gonna cook it white. So I'll show you when it's done, what it looks like. I cut 1 whole onion and about 8 cloves of garlic and 1 hot pepper because I wanted it like really spicy, so I put in a whole habanero pepper. You can cut the Eddoes anyhow you like, but I just cut them like this and cut them very thin so that it cooks fast. So the cutting of the Eddoes is optional. It's according to, you know, how you like to cut it. Also, I'm going to add in some salt. And you can always taste while you're cooking the salt. And so, just give it a stir, and then I'm going to add some water. I'm going to add some water to this now, and I'm going to add enough water to cover the Eddoes, and then let it boil, come to a boil, and like when it cooks, then I'll show you what it turns out to be like.
So this has been cooking for like 15 minutes. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. Doesn't take long to cook. I said maybe another 10 to 15 minutes and everything should be okay. This episode also goes out to Usha Sirju Insurance Limited, agents for Gulf Insurance, providing general insurance coverage for the following: motor, property, commercial and residential properties, marine, workman compensation, and indemnity. Please give them a call. It's located at Ramsaran Street, opposite the Magistrate Court.
So now we're just going to check on this. As you can see, it's still boiling away. And then we'll come and check it again in a couple of minutes.
I would like to also wish happy belated birthday to Gita Sam and Denise Gibbs. Happy birthday again and enjoy life. I'd like to say big up to Vidya, Francis and Shane Ramjit. Thanks for subscribing. I love you guys. I'd like to also give big shout out to Rachel and Dennis Gopal. Thanks for subscribing. I'd also like to shout out Arunan Chelan. Thanks for subscribing. Keep looking at our vlogs. Take care. Oh, check out this thing bubbling here, man. Beautiful. That's how it's going. Still cooking. Potato is a little hard. It will cook down for another 5-10 minutes. And we'll come back and check it.
Okay, so wow, this Eddoes is cooking really good. As you can see, I'm just putting the spoon into the Eddoes and it's just mashing up, so it's already cooked, but now we want this to get a little thicker, so we're gonna let the water boil down a little bit and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so at this point, this is what the Eddoes looks like when it's cooked and come to an end. So it's nice and thick, and now I'm going to make the dosti roti to eat with this.
Plus we have a Chef Grizzly here.
Okay.
What? Harden.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the loya to make the dosti roti, and I'll show you how I'm gonna assemble this. So I just make 2 loya because it's dosti meaning 2, so I just put in oil on both loya, and then I'm gonna just dust one of it with some flour and then I'll stick it together. So again, this is what it's gonna be like. You just make the loya, you put the oil on both loyas, put a little bit of dust, some flour, and then you stick both together. Alright, here goes my mussels. I am rolling it out and my husband is going to sake the roti as he always does.
I tried to make roti a few times and you had to get compressor to swell it. And still don't make it more worse, the compressor can't swell it too. So now she's making all the roti for me. Alright, so this is finished. Just gonna let it dry down a little. But normally it'll get thick for itself, but I don't like it too thick, you know. So that's it. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, man. Peas. I love peas again, as I said before. Wow. Alright, so this is done. Now it's to help the lady with the roti.
Okay, so now I just throw the roti on the tawa and my husband now is going to cook it.
Wow, look at this. Wow, Kevin, check that roti out there, Kevin. You can open this roti. Beautiful. So I'll pass it test. Oh, nice. Good. Wow.
See? So now the roti opens in two, which is
Dosti.
dosti roti. Right.
Alright, so number 1.
Roti solid, man.
I'd also like to say hello to Sirika Puransing from Minnesota, USA. Thanks for subscribing. And Trini Brummy, thanks for subscribing. Also like to say hi to Daniel from Brampton and Keith Kusun and family. Thanks for subscribing. The roti is done. I'll take my food out here for a taste. Peas and aloo with dosti roti. My wife made some wonderful lime pepper sauce. Look at that. That's too much. Around there. What I'm gonna do, have a taste. Perfect. For all the vegetarians out there and non-vegetarians, try it.
So my hubby likes peas and aloo, and I love Sada Eddoes. So I'm gonna take a taste. This is so delicious. You guys have to try this.
Let me do the test. Let me be the judge. Thank God she could cook. That's why we get married. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for another